Hi and welcome to the JavaScript. In this session, we'll be creating our own web server. So create first file server.js and enter it. Now to create server, we need to require or import HTTP. So write let HTTP, or you can write only let h equal to require and HTTP. Okay, and you can store this in HTTP reference variable like that. So to create server, we need file system. So we can say constant file system fs equal to require fs. So this file system. Now define the URL where it will be running. So you can say http colon / 127.0.0.1 and colon and port number say 3000 and give one more / here and then semicolon. HTTP we have required, file system we have required, and we have defined URL. Now it's time to create server. So constant server, this is the reference variable, and we are going to create HTTP dot create server. This is create server. Logic to create the server. Now what to do? Server dot add listener, and in add listener take request and take function having parameter request and response. Request and response, and curly braces. What we are going to write? Response dot write head, and in write head give 200 comma and define content type. So in curly braces you can write content dash type colon. What should be the content type? Text or plain? Text or plain. Content type is text or plain. Okay. Further response dot we can write in constant write stream ws or rs. Write stream equal to fs file stream dot read create read stream create read stream. And what do you want to read? Suppose dummy dot text and type is utf-8. So we need dummy.text file. Create here dummy.txt and write hi im text dummy text file. Okay, running on web server. Okay. Then Control S, go to the server.js, save it. So its server has been created, and we'll make some changes, like here we can write in curly braces. Okay. Furthermore, we need to display, so we'll call rs.pipe, and what do we want to pipe? Response. Okay. Next we need response or server dot on. Okay. And one more thing we need, server dot listen. Okay. These two things we need. Now we will see what to write inside that listen. Here we will write port number 3000, comma, and take an arrow function and console.log and print the message I am running on, and better you give backtick. Backtick is here, backtick. I am running on, and give here dollar curly braces and write URL and curly braces closed. So all these are inside backtick. This is here backtick. Okay. And now let's run this and see node server.js. Now we'll see it is coming throw an error, listener, listen, function, and all these things. Here what to do, give parameter close and give an arrow function and write console.log and write closing. Okay, two parameter to the close. Once again go and let's see here. See, it is coming, I am running on HTTP this. Now go to the control and click here. It will be coming, and message is not getting printed yet, so we will fix this. Okay, port number is 3000, content type dummy.txt is available here. So content type we need to check. So we will be correcting this content.type. So what format do we need? What format do we need this? Content type text plain. So do one thing, you clear this and clear this also. Once try. Unexpected token dash. So content dash type. Now let's try it. Type identifier is not correct. So can we go here, content type, we can give simply Control S and let's see our luck. I am running on this server. Okay, program is running fine. Now go here, let's see. So this is not yet fetching. Dot 3000 dash. Program is